This discovery shocked scientists. Strange, glowing lights appear in the sky just before massive earthquakes hit. Like, share, subscribe for more mind-blowing secrets. Research shows these mysterious flashes were seen before the 1976 Tangshan quake, with witnesses reporting blue and white glows. Studies confirm similar lights appeared before the 2009 L'Aquila quake in Italy, lasting seconds to minutes, baffling experts. But why do these lights appear right before disaster strikes? This discovery shocked scientists. Strange glowing lights appear in the sky just before massive earthquakes hit.